Hello everyone, so today we're going to be taking a look at how to make this origami ball. It's called the Immortelle Kusudama. Yeah, this is actually a pretty large origami ball for the number of units that it uses, 30 units. And you should be using non-post-it note paper for this, as post-it note paper is kind of hard to fold it. There's some irregularities in the post-it note papers in the post-it note paper that you have to watch out for. So I recommend using just regular sheets of square paper. You can have color on both sides to make it more colorful. And yeah, let's get started on how to fold it. Okay, starting off with horizontal fold like this. Okay, and if you have color, just start with the color side facing up right here. So and if you do use post-it notes, since you have nothing, if you have nothing else, you can start with the sticky side facing down. So fold in half, color side facing up, right? Okay, and fold in half in the other direction. Okay, and we're gonna fold diagonally in half in both directions. This way and this way. Okay, and then unfold. Alright, and we're going to fold this corner to the middle. And you can slow this video down or replay it if you need to see these steps again. Fold the other corner into the middle. And just these two, not the ones on the sides. Now we're going to flip over. We're going to fold this edge right here that we just folded. We're going to fold this edge to the middle while keeping this part open. Right? Let this flap slide out. And then fold this to the middle edge. Or sorry, the middle line. Same thing on the other side. Let this flap out and align it with the other edge. Okay, we should get a shape like this. If you have color, your color should be on this area and this area right here. Okay, so now you're going to take this and fold this corner up to this middle part right here and do the same thing on the other side. Rotate and fold this corner up right here. Okay, so all this should be color right here. Okay, we're going to take the bottom left corner and fold it up to the top right. Right here, we're going to fold it like this and unfold. And we're going to rotate over. We're going to take a look at this. We're going to open up the right side. And on the side that we folded, we're going to fold this top part down while also folding a reverse fold over here and bringing this edge to the middle and squashing it down like this. So you can rewind to see that again. I'll also be doing it on the other side. So before that, let's open up this flap over here and open up this left side. We're going to switch the order of these two layers. So right now this layer is on top and this layer is on the bottom. We're going to switch this, make this on the bottom right here, and put this on top. Okay, I'll do it one more time on the other side. So starting with the fold like this, bottom left corner to the top right, and unfold. We're going to look at it like this, with this at the top. Open up the right side, fold this corner down, and reverse this fold like this, and bring this edge to the middle and squash everything down. And then we're going to reorganize the layers. Open this up right here, and fold this down, and fold this side down. Okay. So you have this now. Okay, so now we're going to make a slightly difficult fold, not too difficult, just a little confusing. I'm going to mark it with this red marker right here. So there is an intersection from the edge underneath this flap right here. We're going to make a point right here. You don't have to draw it on yours, but I'm just going to do it on mine so you guys can see. So this edge right here intersects this line of the middle of this square right here at this point. And so we're going to make a fold from this point to the corner right here. Okay, so oops, sorry. Let's take a look over here. fold until the point and line it up at the corner. And only crease to the point, do not crease past it. Just crease right here, that's it. And don't fold any here. And same thing on the left side or the right side. Fold here, line it up, and then crease just to the point. And do the same thing on the other side. So find out where the point is, the intersection between this edge down here and this line right here, which is right here, right? So we're gonna make a fold right there, right here, like this, and on the other side as well. Okay, now we're gonna collapse everything. So I'm gonna make a mountain fold from this point to like the 2 points that we drew out earlier. Make a fold there, and at the same time have these two pop up. So these two sides, have them pop up like this. And we're gonna keep folding like this. And now you're gonna just flatten these out like this. Right? And if you need to see that one more time, just move the video back and watch that again. Okay, so now we're like this, everything's flat, it looks the same on both sides. Open up kind of a little bit at the bottom, and we're gonna move this edge throughout through these two lines. There should be two diagonal lines intersecting each other. I'm gonna fold this way, and using these two lines, make kind of the water bomb base kind of fold right here. Right, and do the same thing on this side, like this, and squash down like that. So one more time. Bring these two edges in together, and at the same time squash everything down. Okay, so now one more step. I'm gonna fold this corner to here, and flip over, do the same thing, fold this corner to here. And that's one unit. Okay, and now you need to make 29 more of these, and then we can make the ball. Alright, so let's go on to assembling. So once you have 3 pieces, you can try this. So I'm using a yellow piece, an orange piece, and this blue piece right here. So each piece has 2 pockets, one pocket over here, and one pocket over here. And each piece also has 2 inserts, one insert here and one insert here. So we're going to take the insert of one piece, my right hand, and I'm going to take the pocket, have it ready, and we're going to put this piece inside this insert right into this pocket right here. So you can see it kind of overlaps, fitting on that triangle shaped area right there. So that's where it's going to fit inside here too. So like this is how it's going to fit. And we're going to rotate now and take hold of this second piece. We're going to take another piece, and we're going to do the same thing that we did with the first and second, but with the second and the third. So take this and insert it in right here into the pocket of the second one. And now we're going to take the first one, insert it into the pocket of the third one. So right here, we're going to kind of need to adjust a bit and bend the paper so that everything kind of comes together, and it's starting to become 3D. We're going to push everything together, and we have kind of an inverted pyramid like this. Right, so this is the top right here, and this right here is the bottom. And so you're just going to want to keep going like this, adding on to these. Like another piece, for example, I'll add on to this blue piece, right? And I'll keep building out. And so as you can see, another piece would fit here, and insert would go into its pocket, and that guy's insert would go into this one's pocket. And we'll keep building until we get to here. Okay, and so let's go through the entire building process. So I'm going to take this apart and show you guys how it's done. Okay, so remember, once again, this is 30 pieces. Yeah, so each 3 pieces is going to form a pyramid, and then 3 pyramids together, not exactly, but will form kind of a star shape. Alright, so let's get started. So starting again with 2 pieces, having one piece insert into its another piece's pocket, and then that, hold on to that piece, and have another piece insert into that pocket, and the first piece back into the third piece's pocket, like this. That's our 3, right? We're gonna build off of this, starting here, or you can start anywhere you want, doesn't matter. We're gonna keep going, building off 1 right here, and another one over here. Okay. Alright, so now we have 2, right? See how they're connected? This piece is part of both these pyramids, or inverted pyramids, right? We're gonna build around now. So we're gonna take another piece, insert it here, and one last piece goes here, right? So 3 make up each inverted pyramid. Okay, and you just have to bend the pieces around and position them so that when you push them together, they all fall into place. So now we have 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's get 2 more. Okay, so 1 right here, and another one that goes right there. You can see it kind of already forms that shape, right? Very nice. And so you can see this is almost 5, right? So if you just insert this over here, it forms a star, a 5-pointed star right here. And that's exactly what we want. If you do 4, it'll be a smaller model overall, and you won't need 30 pieces. You can try that out if you want, but right now I'm going to show how to do 5, a 5-pointed star here. So we're going to keep going and add on this last piece, and we've used, I think, a total of 10 pieces. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 or 11, one of those two. Okay. Alright, so we're going to keep going. So you can see there's 3 points of a star right here. We're going to keep building that. Starting out with the inverted pyramids, right? Right here. Okay, so that's 1. So we need 1 more to finish this. Okay, and complete this this pyramid right here. And insert this into here. And complete this as well. So you have to kind of bend the shapes around to be able to insert it together. If you do need tape, it would be a good time to kind of tape the back right here. So this part, add some tape over here, or if you really want to, you can add tape or glue on the inside of the insert in the pocket. But generally, if you folded your pieces well, you shouldn't need too much tape or glue. And so we're going to keep building, right? So another 3 right here. Okay, and connect this to here, right? And we're just going to keep going around. Just keep going around and just building off of each piece, or adding 2 more pieces to each piece so that we can form the inverted pyramids, right? Okay, so 1 here, and the second one like this. Okay, so another pyramid right here, and this we can see that will connect to a 5-point star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this right here, right, 3 points, and this needs 1 more. We're gonna build that right here, and finish the pyramid first. Okay, and then connect this over here. Just keep going. If anything falls apart, like right here. Perfect example. Just push it back together. And if you see it falling apart a lot, you can add some tape. Okay. Alright, right here. We're going to go over here. Continue on. So now it's starting to become a lot smaller of a hole at the top, right? Everything's coming together. So we're on our last few pieces right here. So we're going to finish up this star right here. Finish up this over here. This will finish up 2 stars. So 1 right here on the right, this one, and 1 right here on the left, this one. And we're gonna finish their respective inverted pyramids as well. So right here and here. And this will also connect to this. So as you can see, as we get closer to the end, more connections start becoming available per piece you put in. Just be aware of that. Right here, we're gonna finish the 3 from earlier. Okay, and this looks like it goes here. Yep. And last piece, right? So 2 inserts, 2 pockets left, 2 inserts and 2 pockets. I'm gonna go right here, boom, boom, right, and kind of wiggle it around, get it right, and push it all together. Okay, and so now we're done, right? Just check around for any loose connections and just push them together or add some tape or glue. And yeah, let's see any more right here. Okay, and yeah, that's how to make the Immortelle Origami Ball. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later.